Hi everyone. Due to the change of weather, so it's like very easily you are catching cold. So people are having throat issues. So how we can cure it simply at home without taking any medicine? This is how we're going to learn it in this video today. Just look at the picture. You can see the second phalange of the thumb which is painted in red. That is the area which covers the throat area on our hand. So as per Sujok, Su means hands and Jok means feet. So when we are working on hand, this is the area which covers the throat area. So if we work on this area, anything we apply on this area should give relief to the throat issues. So I'll show you in the video how we can cure it by applying one garlic on this area. I also want to clear one point over here. If somebody is actually allergic to garlic and once they apply garlic, they're not able to take the heat. In that case, instead of garlic, they can even go for either ajwain or they can apply methi seeds, because anything which will give heat to that part of your body will cure it faster. So basically we need heat in our throat area and we are applying something which is got a warm feeling in it. So you can either apply methi seeds or ajwain in case the garlic doesn't suit, but if garlic suits, that will be the best medicine. Today we are going to learn about a very simple remedy. We will be using a pod of garlic to cure our throat issues, can be cough or otherwise. So just imagine this is, or remember this area, this second phalange of your thumb is specially for your throat area. So what you have to do is you have to just put this garlic over here, garlic pod over there, and you can tie up with a tape. So just put it like this. So you can keep it for about 3-4 hours or overnight. If you have more cough, just keep it overnight and by morning you should feel some relief. Okay. In this picture you can see the lungs area which is just below the thumb. After the last phalange of the thumb, you can see this area. This covers your thumb area on your hand. So I'll show you in the video how by applying one pod of garlic at night every day, you can cure your asthma slowly and gradually. I am telling you, this is really going to help if you will practice it, doing it every day night and removing it in the morning. Now we will be learning how to cure asthma or any other problem related to your lungs. So this is the area which covers your lungs. So it's very simple. Same garlic you have to put here instead of second phalange. Just put this garlic pod over here. If you have severe asthma problem, breathing problem, especially due to corona, we have all these issues. So if you put this garlic over here overnight, morning you'll be feeling much relieved. And this, if you continue doing it for a month or so, your asthma can go away with this simple treatment.